Hi, today I'll be doing a detailed review and comparison between two major platforms in the crypto trading sphere, BullX and Photon. These platforms cater to very different user bases, but both have been making waves in 2025 for their unique offerings. We'll take a deep dive into what they bring to the table, from their standout features to pricing and their pros and cons. We'll wrap it up with a balanced conclusion. So let's dive in and see what both platforms have to offer. Let's start with BullX. This platform is a hybrid of decentralized exchange, or DEX, and an automated trading bot system. Its core mission is to simplify crypto trading for everyone, from beginners to experienced traders. One thing you'll notice about BullX is how seamlessly it integrates automation. It offers preset trading strategies and real-time analytics, making it ideal for users who want to automate their trades without spending hours fine-tuning the details. Now, what's really impressive is BullX's multi-blockchain support. You can trade across Ethereum, Binance Smart Chain, Solana, Arbitrum, Base, and Blast. Each blockchain brings unique benefits. For example, Ethereum is great for its vast ecosystem but can have higher fees. Solana offers speed and low costs, which we'll talk more about when we discuss Photon. But BullX doesn't stop there. They also have a robust 5-tier referral program. It's perfect for traders who like to build communities while earning rewards. Think of it as a win-win. You help grow the platform and you get rewarded for your efforts. Now onto Photon. If BullX is all about versatility, Photon is hyper-focused. It's designed specifically for meme token trading on the Solana blockchain. Meme tokens can be highly volatile, and Photon equips traders with the tools they need to navigate this space. From AI-powered trade automation to rug protection tools, Photon has carved out a niche in high-speed, secure transactions. One standout feature of Photon is its hyperspeed token sniping. This is crucial for traders who want to capitalize on early-stage token launches or grab tokens at the best possible price before the market reacts. And here's something every trader can appreciate: rug protection and scam detection. We've all heard horror stories about crypto scams, but Photon actively helps you avoid these pitfalls. Now let us talk about the main features of BullX and Photon. We'll put these two in head-to-head comparison. Supported blockchains. BullX wins in terms of variety, supporting multiple blockchains. Photon, on the other hand, is laser-focused on Solana. Trading tools. BullX provides a comprehensive suite with preset strategies and analytics. Photon specializes in high-speed tools perfect for meme token trading. Security measures. While both platforms emphasize security, Photon stands out with its scam detection and rug protection tools. Ease of use. BullX is designed with beginners in mind, while Photon caters more to advanced, fast-paced traders. Now let us talk about the pricing. First, with BullX. Unfortunately, BullX doesn't provide transparent pricing information directly on their website. If you're considering them, I recommend you sign up or reach out to their support team to clarify costs. How about Photon? Photon offers a straightforward model. There is a free version with limited functionality, but the real value comes to users in their Plus version. If you sign up on the website, you can get more information about this. Now let us discuss the pros and cons of using BullX and Photon. We'll talk about the pros first. BullX has multiple blockchain supports. It has a beginner-friendly interface, and there are robust animated trading tools there. Photon, on the other hand, has AI-powered automation for meme tokens. There is scam detection and rug protection for secure trading, and lightning-fast transactions are also possible. Now let us talk about the cons. There is lack of pricing transparency with BullX, and there are concerns over legitimacy, which means you always do your research before you dive in. With Photon, It is limited to Solana, which might not appeal to everyone. Advanced tools might be overkill for casual traders. So, what platform takes the crown in 2025? Well, that really depends on what kind of trader you are and what you're looking to achieve in the ever-evolving crypto markets. If you're someone who values versatility and wants access to a range of blockchains, BullX is a strong contender. Its support for Ethereum, Binance Smart Chain, Solana, and others allow you to explore various ecosystems, diversify your trades, and potentially minimize risks associated with sticking to a single blockchain. Plus, its automated trading strategies and real-time analytics make it a user-friendly option for beginners while still offering value to more experienced traders. Crypto is a space where trust is paramount, so I highly recommend you start small if you're considering BullX. Test the waters before committing significant resources. On the other hand, Photon shines for a completely different reason. It's tailored for traders who thrive in the fast-paced world of Solana-based meme tokens. Its hyperspeed token sniping and AI-powered automation gives it an edge for those looking to capture opportunities in a split second. If you're the type of trader who enjoys riding the wave of volatile, early-stage tokens and values tools to avoid scams and rogues, Photon is likely a better fit. But they all have their pros and cons as we mentioned earlier. So, if you're looking to try other alternatives, you may explore Pancake, Uniswap, and Radium. That's all for today's comparison of BullX and Photon. I'm sure you found this review helpful. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share if you found it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates.